on the road to get my RV again? Why? What's wrong? Let's find out together. You ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye, and you may remember driving back from Tallahassee. I had a problem with my refrigerator. It keeps blinking, it was not getting cool, and so I have to get it fixed. Now, I called around to several places in the area. Finding service for the RV right now is very difficult. So I called around and found a Norcold dealer. That's the refrigerator, and it actually is an RV shop fairly close, and it is only going to take a couple of weeks to get that one fixed. So today, picking up the RV, taking it out of storage, going over there, dropping it off, and hopefully in a couple of weeks the refrigerator will get fixed. There are a couple of other things here in the rig that I want to tackle as well. So I'm going to start making a list of things that I think I can do, and then make a list of the things that I need to have done from another place. So we'll see how this service goes. If they do well, if it is a good experience, they may be my spot moving forward. Okay, so I got here. I'm at Bayside Outdoors. They're gonna be the ones to fix the fridge. I'm here a little early. They've got a couple of interesting RVs out front. Probably check them out for a little bit before somebody gets here. What I like about this holiday house is that it's got a cool, funky retro feel, which I could totally see myself digging, and I love this front window. It's absolutely fantastic. Now, I believe this is the one that I saw at the Green Bay RV show. Now, this rig is really cool. It's very much like one of those old school ones. I love the front window here. If I was going to get a tow, this is one that could be up there. I like it. Still looks really cool.
Now, Bayside has a lot of different kind of travel trailers. This one in particular, pretty cute. It is a tag teardrop trailer, really interesting. And then check out this one.
So very much like the holiday house, this model, this is a New Camp Boondock Light, has a front window there, a front window, and it looks like it has a bathroom inside too. Another interesting smaller RV that I think could be really cool. Actually, I guess this is a travel trailer that could be really cool as well.
Always fun seeing a new RV or travel trailer, seeing what's out there, but the real reason I'm here, to get this bad boy fixed.
Okay, so I'm a little nervous. This is supposed to be an official Norcold or Norcold place that I can take my RV refrigerator, and they say they do RVs, and They do have some travel trailers and things like that, but no motorized RVs. So I'm a little concerned, but we'll see how this goes. This is my first look at the new storage situation. They supposedly put up a thing to open up my garage door here that I will use moving forward and won't have to get on top of my RV to try and open this. So let's go check it out. Hopefully it works. So cool, it looks like they actually got the garage door opener up. You know, there's a thing, a clicker and everything. I'm gonna try it out, make sure it works, but looks good so far. Okay, let's see if turning this little thing on works. Okay, so nothing seemed to work this time. I'm gonna slide the door all the way down and then try clicking it and see if it makes a difference. It's working. Okay, this is going to be so much easier getting my RV into this place. It was kind of crazy the first time I had to do it on my own with my RV, but this is now really cool. So, one thing down, hopefully now I can get my RV back in here and we'll move forward. Well, the day has finally come for me to pick up my RV. The shop is done working on it. I just dropped off my car waiting for the Uber to pick me up so that I can go get my rig and bring it back for storage. The fridge looks to be holding some chill. They had it on here, which means I don't know how much of the propane is gone, but so far it looks like it's okay. Let's drive it out of here and get it back home. Well, that's it. I am back at my storage unit after a long several weeks trying to get my RV fixed. The fridge seems to be working, which is good. Just so everybody knows, what happened was, I guess I needed another thermistor or thermistor. Not sure what that exactly is. Then once they went in, they found that the cooling unit was not working properly, so they had to go ahead and replace the cooling unit and essentially rebuilt it to put it in here. So I have a rebuilt cooling unit in the RV. At some point I'm probably going to have to replace the fridge altogether, but for right now this is what it's going to be. Just so you know, and I keep everything honest with you guys when it comes to RVing and costs, the good, the bad, the ugly. This one's pretty ugly. $1,368 to have this fixed, and I don't know how many weeks without it. So this is a tough one, but it's all part of RVing. The nice part about it now is that it's working. I have it back, and I can really start to now explore Wisconsin, especially northeast Wisconsin. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Make sure you follow me all over social media at RV Jedeye. Of course, you can follow me on the blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, RV, and even though you have some rough days like these, RVing is still such a great thing to do. We'll see you next time. Take care.